India just became the fourth nation to successfully land a spacecraft on the moon.
India just became the fourth nation to successfully land a spacecraft on the moon. Michio Kaku, a leading voice in theoretical physics and a passionate champion of space exploration, is now alarmed by what this mission has uncovered. What startling secret did Chandrayaan-3 reveal that has even Kaku on edge? Let's start. Launched by ISRO, Chandrayaan-3 aimed to strengthen India's space presence after Chandrayaan-2 failed its moon landing in 2019. This time, ISRO succeeded, landing on the moon's south pole, an unexplored region crucial for future lunar colonies. The mission confirmed frozen water and minerals like magnesium and silicon in the soil, essential for building habitats. Then, things changed. The Vikram lander and Pragyan rover examined the moon's dust. At first, the terrain seemed lifeless, but Pragyan's spectrometers detected a strange material unlike anything known on Earth or in the solar system. It absorbed energy in unexplained ways, like a sponge for electromagnetic radiation. Kaku called this discovery groundbreaking and terrifying. If natural, it challenges physics. If not, it raises questions about who or what placed it there. Anomalous heat signatures emerged beneath the moon's south pole, fluctuating as if reacting to something. Initially thought to be caused by magma, this theory was dismissed since the moon has been geologically inactive for billions of years. What else could explain these emissions? These findings fuel long-standing theories that the South Pole might harbor alien artifacts. For decades, some have speculated that extraterrestrials used the moon as a base. Michio Kaku, usually skeptical of such theories, now warns they can't be ignored. The implications are complex. Weeks later, ISRO revealed data from Chandrayaan-3's ground-penetrating radar, showing a massive cavernous void under the surface. Inside, geometric shapes resembling constructed metallic frameworks appeared, clearly not natural formations. According to the data, this void is large enough to house a small city. Are these remnants of an advanced alien civilization, or artifacts from a lost chapter of Earth's past? Some scientists consider that intelligent life might have existed on Earth millions of years ago, and possibly left traces on the moon. Concerns about danger arise if these structures are extraterrestrial. The earlier heat signatures might be part of an active system reacting to intrusions. Kaku urges extreme caution and calls for an international coalition to study the findings before sending more missions. Adding mystery, Pragyan rover began showing unexplained malfunctions after scanning the void. ISRO suggests mechanical failure, but some fear these glitches were caused by the strange material or structures. Kaku stresses transparency amid growing public concern. Despite decades of lunar exploration, the moon remains full of mysteries, now deepened by Chandrayaan-3's discoveries. As Kaku said, the more we learn, the less we seem to know. ISRO plans future missions to the South Pole, but they are years away. Meanwhile, NASA's Artemis program targets a permanent base there within a decade. Will upcoming missions reveal more secrets or confirm unsettling fears? Could the moon really hide alien artifacts, or are these just natural phenomena we don't yet understand? Comment and chat with me. And now, this is perhaps Kaku's most worrying thing. Kaku's panic isn't just about the discoveries themselves. It's about the implications for humanity. If we're not alone in the universe, as these findings increasingly suggest, then everything changes. Our understanding of our place in the cosmos, our scientific priorities, and even our geopolitical strategies will need to be reevaluated. As Kaku warned, the moon may not be the barren wasteland we thought it was. And if that's true, we need to start asking some very big questions. Questions we might not be ready to answer. As we await further updates from ISRO and other space agencies, one thing is clear: Chandrayaan-3 has opened a Pandora's box of possibilities. Whether those possibilities represent hope or danger remains to be seen. But one thing is certain: our exploration of the moon has only just begun, and it's already reshaping our understanding of the universe. The revelations from Chandrayaan-3 have sent shockwaves across the scientific community and beyond. While the world grapples with the startling implications of these findings, let's dive deeper into the broader context of what this means for humanity and our exploration of the moon. First, it's essential to consider why the moon's south pole has been a target of such intense scrutiny. The South Pole isn't just another region of lunar terrain. It's a treasure trove of resources and mysteries. With its permanently shadowed craters, this region holds vast quantities of frozen water ice. Scientists believe these ice deposits are relics from the early days of the solar system, making them invaluable not only for sustaining future lunar bases, but also for unraveling the history of our cosmic neighborhood. Could the moon, at some point in its distant past, have supported primitive life forms? And if not, why does this ice exist in such abundance on a world that lacks the conditions for life as we know it? The presence of water ice is already groundbreaking, but it pales in comparison to the other discoveries made by Chandrayaan-3. The unknown material found in the regolith, for instance, has the potential to rewrite our understanding of chemistry and material science. If this substance is indeed capable of absorbing and manipulating electromagnetic radiation, its applications could be revolutionary. Imagine materials that could render objects invisible, enable energy storage at unprecedented scales, or even facilitate the creation of advanced propulsion systems for spacecraft. If you enjoyed this video, remember to hit the bell icon, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't yet. But with such potential also comes risk. As Michio Kaku has pointed out, understanding this material fully will require caution. Any misuse or misinterpretation could have unintended consequences, particularly if its origins remain unknown. The geometric structures found beneath the moon's surface raise serious questions. The idea of built facilities there isn't as strange as it sounds. For years, whistleblowers and conspiracy theorists claimed the moon hosted extraterrestrial activity, some suggesting aliens watched humanity's first lunar steps. Though often dismissed, Chandrayaan-3's data gives these claims more credibility. If artificial, these structures could be historic archaeological finds. But who built them, when, and why? One theory is that advanced aliens used the moon as a base to observe Earth or mine resources. The moon's closeness and lack of atmosphere would preserve such structures for millions of years. This implies humanity might have been watched for ages, possibly as part of a grand experiment or a curiosity. Another theory suggests these are relics of an ancient human civilization far more advanced than we think. Cataclysms, like asteroid strikes, might have erased their traces on Earth, but their reach to the moon would reveal untold human potential for exploration and innovation. A darker possibility alarms Michio Kaku. The structures might still be active. The changing heat signatures hint at energy generation below the surface. If true, is this system a cosmic beacon, a trap, or something beyond our understanding? Kaku stresses humility and caution. As he says, the universe is not obligated to make sense to us. Our limited knowledge shapes reality, and these mysterious findings might challenge everything we know. This moment could be one of the most important in human history. These discoveries reach beyond science, affecting philosophy, religion, and politics. If we are not alone, what does that mean for humanity's place in the universe? Many religions teach that we are unique, created in a divine image. Evidence of other intelligent life could challenge these beliefs or inspire new spiritual connections to the cosmos. Politically, the findings raise tough questions. Should nations work together to explore the moon, sharing knowledge and resources? Or will competition and conflict take over as countries rush to claim and exploit lunar resources? Earth's history shows both cooperation and exploitation. Now humanity has a chance to choose a wiser, more peaceful path, but it will require foresight. Public reaction is mixed, with wonder, excitement, and fear. Social media buzzes with speculation as people pore over ISRO's data. Some see it as a sci-fi beginning, others as a stark reminder of the universe's vastness and life's fragility. Scientists worldwide are racing to analyze the discoveries, sparking increased funding for lunar research. New missions to the South Pole are planned to study the structures and strange materials found by Chandrayaan-3. These missions face huge challenges, from harsh conditions to ethical dilemmas about disturbing possible alien artifacts. Michio Kaku's words guide us as humanity enters a new era of space exploration. The universe is vast and full of mysteries, but we must proceed with care, humility, and respect for the cosmos, for each other, and for unknown truths. Chandrayaan-3 has changed how we see the moon, the universe, and our place within it. It sparked new questions, debates, and dreams, yet answers remain elusive. This journey to unlock the cosmos has only just begun. Each mission brings us closer to understanding the universe's limitless possibilities. The moon is no longer a barren rock, but a gateway to the unknown, a symbol of human potential, and a challenge to our view of reality. The mission forced us to confront deep questions, especially about the mysterious structures beneath the lunar surface. If artificial, who built them? Ancient extraterrestrials, or a lost advanced human civilization? Both ideas shake the foundations of science and philosophy. If aliens created these structures, they could reveal technologies far beyond our reach. Learning from them might leapfrog our progress like handing a smartphone to a caveman. Yet this comes with risks. Misusing such power could have catastrophic results. Humanity must approach these discoveries with caution to avoid unleashing forces we do not fully understand. The alternative, that these structures are the remnants of an advanced human civilization, is equally mind-boggling. Such a discovery would upend our understanding of human history and prehistory. It would suggest that humanity has achieved great heights of technological and cultural development, only to be brought low by cataclysmic events. This theory aligns with myths and legends from cultures around the world that speak of advanced civilizations destroyed by floods, fires, or other disasters. Could the structures on the moon be the key to understanding these ancient stories? And if so, what lessons can we learn to prevent a similar fate for our own civilization? The potential implications of these discoveries extend far beyond the moon. If the structures are part of a larger network, the idea of a galactic archaeology, where humanity uncovers the remnants of ancient starfaring societies, is no longer the stuff of science fiction. It is a real possibility, made more plausible by the discoveries of Chandrayaan-3. But these discoveries also raise unsettling questions about the intentions of the creators of these structures. If they were built by extraterrestrials, what was their purpose? Were they meant to observe humanity, or perhaps to serve as a warning? The fluctuating heat signatures detected by Chandrayaan-3 suggest that the structures may still be active in some capacity. If they are sending signals into space, who or what are they communicating with? And what happens if those signals are received? These questions are not merely academic. They have real-world implications for how humanity approaches the exploration of the moon and other celestial bodies. As Michio Kaku has pointed out, humanity must proceed with caution. The universe is vast and mysterious, and we cannot assume that it operates according to our expectations or desires. While the search for knowledge is a noble endeavor, it must be tempered by humility and a recognition of our own limitations. One area where these discoveries could have immediate practical implications is in the development of new technologies. The unknown material discovered in the lunar regolith, for example, could revolutionize fields ranging from energy storage to telecommunications. If its properties can be understood and harnessed, it could lead to breakthroughs that transform every aspect of human life. But this also raises ethical questions about how such technologies should be used and who should have access to them. Will they be shared for the benefit of all humanity or hoarded by a select few? The answers to these questions will shape the future of our species. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan-3 also have profound implications for our understanding of the moon as a potential site for human colonization. The presence of water ice at the South Pole is already a game-changer, as it provides a critical resource for sustaining human life. But the structures and materials discovered by the mission suggest that the moon may hold other resources and opportunities that we have yet to imagine. As humanity prepares to establish a permanent presence on the moon, these discoveries will play a crucial role in shaping the design and goals of future missions. But colonizing the moon also presents challenges that go beyond the technical and logistical. The potential presence of extraterrestrial artifacts raises ethical and cultural questions about how humanity should approach its interactions with these structures. Should they be preserved as historical and scientific treasures, or repurposed for practical uses? And what happens if they contain information or technologies that could be used for destructive purposes? These are not easy questions, and they will require careful consideration by scientists, policymakers, and the global community. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan-3 also have implications for how humanity perceives its place in the universe. For centuries, humans have looked to the heavens and wondered whether we are alone. The possibility that the moon holds evidence of extraterrestrial activity is a powerful reminder of the vastness and complexity of the cosmos. It challenges us to expand our understanding of what is possible and to approach the universe with a sense of curiosity and wonder. Did you like this video? Don't forget to hit the bell, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really helps me out, and I promise to bring you more awesome content. At the same time, these discoveries are a reminder of the fragility of life on Earth. The structures on the moon, if they are indeed ancient, may serve as a warning about the impermanence of civilizations. They remind us that even the most advanced societies can be brought low by forces beyond their control. This is a sobering thought, but it is also an opportunity. By studying these structures and learning from the past, humanity can better prepare for the challenges of the future. The public reaction to these discoveries has been as diverse as it is intense. For some, the findings are a source of inspiration and excitement, a testament to the power of human ingenuity and exploration. For others, they are a source of fear and uncertainty, raising questions about the unknown and the potential dangers of delving too deeply into the mysteries of the universe. This diversity of perspectives is a reflection of the complexity of the issues at hand. There are no easy answers, and the path forward will require careful consideration and collaboration. As humanity grapples with the implications of these discoveries, it is worth reflecting on the broader context of space exploration. The moon is just one of many celestial bodies that hold secrets waiting to be uncovered. From Mars to Europa, to the distant reaches of the Kuiper Belt, the solar system is a vast and largely unexplored frontier. Each new mission, each new discovery, brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos. But exploration is not without its risks. As humanity ventures further into space, it must be prepared to confront challenges and uncertainties that are unlike anything we have encountered before. The discoveries made by Chandrayaan-3 are a reminder of the need for caution, humility, and a commitment to the principles of science and ethics. They are also a reminder of the incredible potential of the human spirit, the capacity for curiosity and innovation that has driven our species to achieve the seemingly impossible. In the end, the discoveries made by Chandrayaan-3 are not just about the moon, they are about humanity's relationship with the universe and with itself. They are a testament to the power of exploration and the importance of asking questions, even when the answers are difficult or uncomfortable. They are a challenge to think deeply, to act responsibly, and to dream boldly. As Michio Kaku has said, the universe is a vast and wondrous place, full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. The journey to understand these mysteries is not just a scientific endeavor, it is a profoundly human one. It is a journey that requires courage, curiosity, and a sense of wonder. And as we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, it is a journey that has only just begun. India's Chandrayaan-3 mission has revealed discoveries that open a new chapter in human history, full of both great opportunity and deep uncertainty. Michio Kaku's warnings reflect not only scientific caution, but awareness of how these findings could redefine our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The universe has shown it holds deeper secrets than imagined. Our response will shape our evolution as a species, ready to join the stars. The alarming discoveries that shook Kaku may become keys to humanity's greatest adventure. The search for answers has just begun. We must prepare for a universe stranger, more complex, and more wondrous than ever before. See you again.
Thanks for being with us. Leave a comment, like to show your support, and remember to hit that subscribe button for more exciting videos. See you next time.